Hi, I'm Jeff Kauffman with Silver Sport Transmissions, and welcome to the front office. You may have found this video by an internet search. Maybe you're looking for information on TREMEC swaps, things like that. Maybe you found it in the newsletter. So either way, thank you for watching. I'm going to cover a few things today, basically regarding how we do quotes, how we put our kits together, what the term kit means, why we do things the way we do them, and what you can expect after the sale. So typically interactions will begin with a phone call. People call us. Maybe you'll send an email, maybe you'll send a quote request, things like that. So what happens is once we gather that information, we will start putting a kit together or package for you based on your needs. In this business, there's a lot of confusion about what the term kit means. A kit for one guy is going to be different than the next because these cars are not all the same. So that's one thing that we battle daily, is trying to make guys understand that you can't just go buy a kit. I need a kit for my car. It doesn't really work that way. So I'll give you an example. So if you were going to have a house built, your contractor is going to ask you a lot of questions. And this is no different because your car is unique. It's your car, you built it your way. Maybe you bought it that way, who knows? But your car is built a specific way, and you may have a particular goal that you're trying to reach with this kit. So what we do is we ask a lot of questions. What kind of equipment do you currently have? How do you plan on using the car, and things like that. So we don't want to sell you things that you don't need, but we do want to let you know that if you do need other parts to complete the job, you need to know that too. So that's one thing that we do is we ask a lot of questions about your car, truck, Frankenstein, whatever you're building, whatever your tastes are. So we need to know what you have and what your goals are, things like that. So that's one thing we do is we gather a lot of information about your car. That's probably best done verbally. In this day and age, people don't like to talk to each other. They want to send an email or send a text or things like that. But really the best way to do this is call. We're always available by phone. Happy to talk to you, eager to talk to you. We'll be glad to sit down and cover the details of the packages and put a custom kit together just for you. So that's kind of how we gather the information on that. While we do that, it just produces a better end result. You're going to be happier in the end. You got everything you need, and there's no questions about anything. So after the sale, we have excellent tech support. We have 3 guys dedicated to tech support: Chris, Zach, and Wade. So these guys are all car enthusiasts. We're all car enthusiasts here. I did a couple years ago, did a LS swap and a T56 in a square body Chevy S10. That was the first engine I'd ever built, and it was a lot of fun, learned a lot of stuff. So that was a fun project. But we're all car enthusiasts here. We know what you're going through, where you're going, how it works, and things like that. So anyway, so if you're in the market for a TREMEC swap, don't just get online and there's a lot of bad information on social media groups. Maybe your neighbor's Uncle Joey told you that you need this and you don't need that. Well, Joey may not be an expert in TREMEC swaps, so that's why you need to talk to the experts and get information, get the exact information that you need. So anyway, give us a call, 844-609-8187, or you can email me direct, info@shiftsst.com. I'll be glad to talk to you. Thanks for watching.